Hi, this is Mike with Hiniker Company, and today I'd like to show you how to disconnect and reconnect to your Hiniker plow. First thing we'll do is lower your plow. Right now we are in the up mode. You can notice your light is green, and by lowering your plow, that light will turn orange and stay orange. At this time we can go out to the plow and compress the lift cylinder. Okay, so we've left our controller in the down mode. The light was turned orange. Now what we want to do is compress this lift cylinder. To do that, we'll be stepping on these upper lift links. Okay, we've got that completely compressed, and then we'll rotate the stop plate in, push back on your headlight arm just a little bit, and put it in the closest tooth you can get it to. At this point, we'll disengage our sliders. We'll pull the pin, slide the handle towards the middle, lower our kickstand, disconnect our wires, and then we can back away from the plow. To connect to your Hiniker plow, just drive straight into the receiving pockets. Okay, now that we've driven back into our plow, we'll engage our sliders by pulling the handle, raise our kickstand, reconnect our power cable and our 16-pin connector. That's all there is to it. You're back to plowing. The stop plate will fall down the first time that you raise your plow, or you can just push back on your headlight arm and lower that while you're up here.